Quality ba talaga ang Ingco Impact Wrench? Well, I got you my friend. Welcome back sa Power Tool Universe. Kaunting kaalaman, noong 1934, naimbento ni Robert H. Pott ang kauna-unahang impact wrench. Noon, ito ay tinatawag na windy gun, o air wrench, dahil ito ay ginagamitan ng compressed air bilang power source. At pagdating ng mid-2000s, ang impact wrench ay malawakang ginagamit sa industriya ng automotive repair, heavy equipment maintenance, product assembly, major construction projects. Naging popular ito dahil sa high torque output nito, at low-cost design with best power-to-weight ratio. Let's start from Ingco's specification. Ang Ingco Impact Wrench ay may 20 volts input power. Ito ay brushless motor. Ang load speed ay umaabot ng 0 to 2,300 revolutions per minute. Ang impact rate naman ay 0 to 3,550 beats per minute. Maximum torque ay 300 Newton meters. With 2 pieces battery pack, 1 pieces charger, and 3 pieces sockets. Para saan ba ang Ingco Impact Wrench? Ang Ingco Impact Wrench ay ginagamit sa pag-tightening and loosening of bolts na hindi kayang gawin ng mga regular na drill. These are typically used in automotive and construction industry. Alam mo ba na impact wrench din ang ginagamit sa Grand Prix race para magfalit ng gulong during pit stops? Ang basic parts ay binubuo ng motor, external housing, grip, trigger and forward and reverse switch, power source, at ang chock. Magkano ba ang offered price ni Ingco sa power tool niya? Well, to find out, just click the link below to earn 50% discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell. Overall review about Ingco Impact Wrench. Satisfied naman ang mga recent buyers. Thanks for watching, stay positive, stay safe.